This is mine, not yours. I want him to know who the boss is, not yours.
I'm Liz, also known as the traveling behaviorist, and I work with the most severe behavior problems worldwide in dogs. And this video was for me very upsetting because if you have a dog that resource guards, of course you have to address this problem, but this is not how you address it. This was just ego-based, fear-based training. So a dog that is already resource guarding does this because of fear. So by tapping it on the head and by being like pushy and annoying to the dog, even though he doesn't show any signs of resource guarding at that moment, is just bullying the dog. And what happens then is that you just make the fear of the dog worse. So if you really want to fix resource guarding, please shoot me a DM. We can fix this, and we can fix this in a kind and nice way. And if you're a trainer and you don't know how to fix this, DM me as well, because I can teach you.